Good afternoon, everyone. T-Speak at 222 XRP Future Millionaire at the side about an excellent future. Digibyte OG. So, guys, this is a quick update. Real quick XRP, real quick Bitcoin. What does that look like to you guys? If you're not looking at anything but what you're looking at in front of you, you need to ask yourself something. Because this is the same thing I'm asking myself, and this is the same reason why I wouldn't just buy in and act like it's going to the moon now. Seeing a couple people who came on yesterday said that we were going down to 14,000. Then they quickly came back on today and said, now we're going up to 40,000. How can you make that confirmation of a breakout without the confirmation being made? Sure, it's over. But we need to ask ourselves, is this an actual pattern? Or the more we start looking at this in the 4 hour, is it possible that it is in fact a trap? Like I've been saying, is that possible that that's a left shoulder and that this is now a head forming? Forget the fact it followed exactly up my pattern. And it bounced off of the double bottom. I've had the same trend line out. And for people to say that this is just one thing I want to establish and get out of the comments real quick. For people to say that I didn't give you buy zones on the bottom and now I'm switching my opinion. Guys, are you on crack? I said buy VeChain at 5.5. I said buy DGB at the bottom. It followed the path beautifully up. I told you to buy ZIL. And I even went as far as saying we could build a cup and handle. So I don't understand where you guys are trying to tell, you know, like I did the same thing with XDC. Showed the pattern, it did it, it's doing it. I went to DAG when somebody asked me. And look how DAG is. DAG's just, I said it could come up and probably retest that if it wanted to. There was a bunch of these that I went through for people. Dent, a real good example. I just did Dent. And I showed two scenarios. One, it could pop way up, or two, it could ride up this, come up to the resistance line, and get smacked back down. Or it'll ride back through the resistance, and it'll go up. At no point did I say to sell out of it because it's going to crash down. I showed what it was going to do, so you ride up my pattern. It's like that with everything, XRP. I couldn't have been more clear how I thought it was going to come down double bottom, and then how the pattern I thought it was going to do. I even drew a cup and handle out there, so from 58 cents. So if I should feel like this is doing anything other than what I've been saying the whole time, no. I even have a trend line that I've shown countless times it trades between. Bounced off the trend line on the bottom and started working its way back up. Now it's on the trend line on the top. It got to the top, and now in a classic head and shoulders formation, it pulled back on the head, it looks like. It's more clear in Bitcoin than anything else, but everything follows Bitcoin. So that's why I'm saying, let's make sure we have a confirmation so we can ride it to 40,000. All these stations that are flipping courses without actually doing any technical analysis are going to cost people a bunch of money. Because couldn't you just say Bitcoin finished off the cup and handle we talked about, the mid cup and handle, and now without volume it would sustain back down? Couldn't we also say for Bitcoin that this push up was nothing more than a way to get us back down to the lower trend part at 28? Now that we're going to be coming farther down, let me show you what I mean. So before we get our panties in a bunch, and we forget about the technicals because we see it go up, most of you guys have already made the money. This was the time to see if it can validate a bigger move up. That's how you secure profits. That's why people sell the neckline, which in this formation, this could very well be the neckline, right in here. So, is it possible, guys, that it did this so that it's coming down? And yes, Slavic, I am considering a bull trap. And everybody who keeps saying that my last video, I started calling bullish, I said it has to do this to flip bullish. So I say watch my videos and pay attention to what I say. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire. Decide about an excellent future Digibyte OG. Donate, join Tom's Army. You owe me that much.